Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your number on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want people you call to be able to see your number, you can choose to hide your caller ID in settings. With your caller ID hidden, your number will not be visible to the people you call. Open the phone app and then tap the three dots button in the top right. Choose Settings from the options. Scroll down the settings and tap Supplementary Services. Tap Show Your Caller ID at the top. Choose Never. If you have two SIM cards in your phone, then you'll need to turn off caller ID for both. SIM 2 will be below. The same as before, tap Show Caller ID and then choose Never. When you call people, they will no longer be able to see your number. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.